Welcome back to Jet School. This here is an old ESC or electronic speed controller, and what we're going to do today is take this ESC, desolder the connections and then solder it back on, as I don't want any of the solder connections to fail during flight. I'm also going to add heatsink to insulate the connections. This is a time-lapse video, so all the steps will be written on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed, but before we start, you can support me by subscribing to this channel. So let's start. So that's how you maintain an ESC. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Comment if you have any doubts and I will answer them. Stay tuned for the next video, and until next time, see you later. Bye bye.